This is the video direction for presentation 3 of Education 180, Getting to Know Diverse Students. We're going to start today with a warm-up. And in this warm-up, you're going to watch the video on the screen and then click to our Padlet board to write down 3 things you learned about diverse families that will help you as a teacher. Be thinking about that question as you watch the video on the screen. Our first topic today are names, and names are important. So we're going to go back to D2L and read the article Immigrant Families and Children Redevelop Identities in a New Context. If you've already read the article, that's fantastic. Just skim through one more time. And then we're going to listen to a story called The Name Jar. Click in the center of the book and you can hear the story read to you. And I want you to think about how the story can relate to the information that was presented in the article. Make the connection between the two. Then I want you to visit Padlet by clicking right here and share some ways that the story does relate to the article and how can a teacher use this book to help students feel accepted in their own classroom. Next topic is getting to know your students. There's a slide that has information. And then moving for more information, you're going to click on the article that is in the tablet and then read about the ways that you can get to know your students in the areas discussed on the previous slide. Then we're going to talk about our third topic, getting to know families. And you're going to do the same thing. Click on the article in the tablet and read about the different types of information that you will need to find out about your families to have a successful partnership. Then we have some statistics. So we have a research slide, and this is actually where all the research is. If you're interested in reading more about the studies, you can click to the link at the bottom. And then we have our kind of recap of information. Today we have an in-class activity, so that's our fourth topic. And what I'd like you to do for the participation activity is watch the intro video right here on the screen. And you're going to be completing a family questionnaire. It's got directions right here to follow, and the handout for this project is in D2L, and it's in the folder with our presentation files. When you've finished everything, you want to check and make sure that you've completed it, and our weekly assignments will be listed on our last slide. So what we have here, slides, I need to put them in, 2 and 8 have Padlet boards today. We've got your family questionnaire, which you're going to Dropbox and post on Facebook. And be sure to check those out and download any of the questionnaires your peers have posted. And last but not least, you want to prepare for next week. So you're going to read chapter 3, pages 77 to 85 in your textbook, and work on your video interview project. Just a kind of note, as you complete your video interview project, I want you to try out your new family questionnaire that you completed because we're going to be using those in class. So if you get an extra little bit of time and you get your video done, that's something else you can work on. That's the directions for our week.